Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another perfume review video. My name is Naz. This is my channel, the king of hidden gems. I try to bring to your attention fragrances that are very good value for money. They smell good. I think at least you should do your research on them for yourself and see if they're any good to you. So today I have another unboxing and first impression plus an update for you. This update is for Lattafa, and this is the blend of Lattafa or Khalta Lattafa. This is came out 2021, and you can find it if you do your research and be patient under £20, but most of the time it's a little bit more expensive, maybe between £30 to £40. And first thing first, this is a beast mode. Yes, it's a beast mode, 12 hours plus. Goodness me, this is huge. My wife was telling me go and wash it, after like 7-8 hours. He was projecting so much. She was saying, when are you going to have a bath, when are you going to have to shower? The reason because she didn't like it. Okay, I personally love it, but she is not a big fan of oud, and she picks it up very easily because she's sensitive to oud. Her nose is sensitive to it. Even the slightest amount of oud, she would pick it up. So there are some oud she can tolerate and maybe even like, but majority she doesn't. So that's not a surprise there. In terms of presentation, it's very good. In terms of ratio, what you pay, what you get is amazing. The smell is in a way that, okay, it's not a blind buy safe. Okay, it's not very challenging. It's not difficult, no, but it is particular taste, and that particular taste is the bulk of it is floral, fruit, woody, vanilla. This is the bulk part of it. Okay, so it opens up very floral, sweet, plus big almond and big nuttiness, and that nuttiness just stays there for almost half of life of this fragrance, from the beginning to the half. I would say about maybe 5-6 hours easily, and slowly will subside. So when it opens up is the biggest, and then slowly will subside that nuttiness. And the first 15 to 20 minutes is quite sharp. So if you don't like sharp fragrances, I like sharp fragrances, you know what I mean? Not every sharp fragrances obviously, but I like them when they are piercing. They are, they are in your face, and in this case I like it, even though it's sharp. In the, as I said, first 15 to 20 minutes quite sharp, and then it will mellow down and it will become rounder. And then when it goes to the mid, it's dominated by florals, and the florals here is rose, is jasmine, is lavender, and it's very aromatic, it's very floral. And when it goes to the end of the life of this fragrance, from the mid to the end, the vanilla will come up, so it becomes more and more vanillic. And also the oud, although it never comes full front, this is not a big oud here, but you can detect it, you can feel it, especially if your nose, like my wife, her nose is sensitive to oud, you will pick it up easy. So from the half-life to the end, this is what you end up. You end up with some oud, some vanilla, tonka bean definitely, very woody, little bit of muskiness, and a little bit of green aspect as well. From the opening to the mid, he's got some green aspect to it as well, which is a little bit of like a leafy feel. Overall, very good fragrance, especially for money. Huge performer. The projection is about 4 to 5 hours. Huge projection, massive. You don't need more than 1-2. If you put 3, you'll choke yourself out. I put 3, and my wife was complaining all the time, please go and wash, please go and wash. She couldn't stand it, it's like all day in her face. And I said to her, I said, look, I have to know how long you last. I can't go and shower, because then I have to, you know, report back, say you know, what was the longevity, projection, and things like that. And she said, I don't care, go and have a wash. Anyway, so big projector, huge, massive projector, huge longevity. Longevity is 12 hours plus, easy. If you put it on t-shirt, go days. In terms of bubble, massive bubble around you. Again, 1, 2, maximum 3. If you put more than 3, you choke yourself and others. In terms of what is extract, the Parfum anyway. So it's very dense, very thick, it's very full bodied. Overall, I'm loving it. Sweet, woody, resinous, vanillic, oudi, floral, rosy, jasmine, green, aromatic, nutty. So you can tell where it's going. Okay, so all these things, and tiny bit of darkness. It's not overall, it's not a dark fragrance. It's one of those fragrances which actually you can use it in summer, but just one on the chest in summer, and even that I think is too much, maybe 1.5. It's so dense and thick and massive projector. It's just keeps going and going and going. It's just one of those fragrances. It's relentless and it's in your face and it doesn't go away. It's not like one of those fragrances you can catch a whiff of it. No, this is in your face and it's screaming all the time. So performance 100%. Smell for me very good. Although it's not a unique fragrance, you know, you smell this profile probably before, especially if you're like me, you like your orientals. I smell this profile a few times before, if not many, but it's done well and it's very reasonable. It's very cheap and it performs well. This one is definitely for 25 and up to it, on the safe side in terms of age. It is unisex, but to me it is a little bit on the masculine side, although ladies can easily wear this, but to me it's like tiny bit masculine. It goes, if you say 50-50, this is like maybe 60-40, okay? But as I said, it could easily be worn by ladies as well. And in terms of season, better suited for cooler weather, but as I said, if you put one on the chest, maybe you can get away with it in summer. Occasion, this is any occasion. It's formal, informal, if is evening, is day, is casual, is formal, anything. This is one of those fragrances is very versatile in that term. So overall, highly recommend it, but you need to like this kind of fragrances as I described it. Blind buy is up to you, but it's not a safe blind buy. I would say it's a little bit on the challenging side. Not much, little bit, okay? Overall, very good. Okay guys, let's go to today's unboxing first impression, and this is, mamma mia, this is close to my heart again, House of Dunhill, especially the signature line. I unboxed 2 of them before and both were fantastic. So this is the third in this line, and which I have, and this is signature collection, Dunhill, London, and this is Agar wood. You know me, I love my Agar wood, I love my oud. So very high-end packaging, because this is a signature, this is a high-end from Dunhill, and the price reflect that. This is retails for 100, I think it's £120. Yeah, retails for £120, but you can find it discounted, or if you do your research, Google it, usually you can find it around maybe 60, 70 to 80 pounds, between 60 to 80 pounds. And let's see how it goes. So like similar to Tom Ford, the private line, sorry about the noise. So this one came out in 2020, I think, and it's not hard to find, but it's not easy to find either. There are very few places they have it. So if you are interested to do your research, you need to be patient because this is not everywhere, okay? So 1 or 2 places in the UK, I don't know about other places. I'm guessing it's the same because this is manufactured in the UK. So if we have very few of it, you know, I can imagine other places it would be probably the same. So very nice box, cardboard, quite, and the bottles are always beautiful in this range. Look at that gorgeousness. Dunhill Agarwood, super heavy cap, is like a metal and glass, and the atomizer, very good atomizer. So this is Agarwood by Dunhill signature. Here we go. First sniff, first impression. How is it going? Absolutely gorgeous. I knew it was going to be good because, as I said, I have 2 of them from this line, the signature line I had before, and they're both amazing, and this is no exception. Superbly done, beautiful, very good quality. And as it says, Agarwood is very woody here, but it's not just wood. There's so many layers here. I can smell earthiness, I can smell some herbal notes, I can smell leafiness, I can smell spices. It's probably saffron. It's very green, even though it's Agarwood, but it's Agarwood done like jungle, you know, like it's grassy, it's green, it's leafy, it's wood chippy, it's a little bit on the brown wood chip side, okay? Beautiful, very nice quality, superbly done. So again, this is on the mature side, okay? This is Agarwood, and you can tell the Agarwood is there because it is earthy. It's not alemanic, but tiny bit of alemanic in there, but it's earthy more than anything else, okay? Yeah, earthy, that's a bit of mushroomy feel to it as well. But green. Wow, this is a green grass, wood grass, even. So let me just read you the ingredients for a second. And so this one came out 2020, as I said. So top note, we got saffron, as I said, pink pepper, okay, so it's quite peppery, bergamot and ginger. Ah, I see that ginger making it zingy. In the mid we have black iris, violet leaf and cypress. Cypress, very green again, but that iris, I can smell something very smooth in there, but I can't smell the typical iris. It says black iris, which whatever. And then in the base we have Agarwood, obviously, we got suede, and we have tobacco, and we got mustic and linseed, whatever that is. Ooh, and there's a perfumer credit for it, and that is Gino Precontino. Gino Precontino, which is Italian name, and he looks quite young. But Gino, you've done a very good job here. Fantastic. Very good quality, but mature, yes. Sophisticated, yes. Quite on the, not daring, but a little bit on the different side. So this is oriental throughout, so you need to like orientals. This is very oriental. Almost no sweetness, almost tiny bit of sweetness in there, probably from the ginger and also bergamot and some other component which make it tiny, but there's no sweetness here. It's very earthy, it's very spicy, and also it's very peppery. It's quite, the ginger making it quite zingy, but the iris making it smooth. Agarwood is quite earthy here and very woody, obviously, and also there's a quite a mushroomy feel to it right now. Don't let me put you off. Mushroom feel, not mushroom smell, okay? There's like a danky feel to it, danky feel. Anyway, so first impression, yes, I'm loving it. It's up my alley. Love this kind of fragrance in myself. I am loving it to bits. Mamma mia, what a fragrance. Two of them beautiful. This is again for cooler weather. It's better suited for cooler weather, but obviously I will let you know in the next video. There's the longevity, the development, things like that. As always, if you like what I do, please support me by hitting that bell button for future uploads. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and share this video with others. This way you expand my channel, and I will be very grateful. If you want to support me, you can buy one of my fragrances. Obviously you need to be living in United Kingdom, because I can now post it outside United Kingdom, and those fragrances are from another dimension. Okay, thank you very much. As always, I will see you later. Bye.